more passion, more energy away from the curb. Well done. Well done. I'm impressed. You've done fantastic, by the way. You've done amazing.
If every driving lesson was like this, oh my god, this would be the best career in the world. Whenever you're ready, Josh. Yeah, you ready? Okay.
What are you tired for?
I was out.
That's a great start to the lesson. Right guys, on that note, as we can see Josh yawning. Yeah, so we know it's going to be a very energetic lesson from Josh. Today's lesson is on what? Well, continuing from last lesson.
What are you doing?
Okay, this lesson, guy, is on what was
Clutch
it on
control.
That's
Yeah.
clutch control.
You saw the last lesson, it was pretty fine. I had to jump into the back of the car. I've kind of like brushed up on my skills at home a little bit. Hopefully I'm a little bit better for you. But today Josh is going to be doing his clutch control as normal and see if we can get around the route without any type of like hazard or like problems.
Okay.
It should be fine.
Okay, and on that point there, yeah, someone did comment here, which I thought was quite funny. Brandon got sacked as the instructor last lesson. We were doing this topic and we just swapped seats because yeah, it wasn't going well. It is a tough topic. And remember, guys, Brandon isn't a driving instructor. He's a big brother trying to help his little brother learn how to drive.
Yeah.
Right then, before we get started, Josh, last lesson on hills. Obviously, we said your trainers didn't help you wearing those trainers, yeah?
Yeah.
So I bought a pair of driving shoes. So if you want to switch over to these. Wow! Here you go, mate.
Can you tie these, please?
Huh?
Can you tie those, please?
They're not even on your feet?
Yeah, but can you tie them before I put them on?
They just love like fresh shoe smell.
I think we know a title for this video.
Whoa, I ain't touching those.
They look riffy.
Okay.
Do you mind just putting them down here?
Okay.
Oh, that's funny, yeah.
Also, while he puts his shoes on, I'll tell you some stories. I was out last night. It's pretty funny. A lot of people were coming up to oh hi Brandon, our videos are great. And then some people you give your instructions really slow. I'm sorry. I'm actually so sorry. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best.
And guys, any of you that obviously if you're far into your driving journey and your footwear isn't causing you a problem, there's no need to purchase these. But if those of you who are struggling with the correct footwear, these trainers, shoes, whatever you want to call them, yeah, are going to be at the lowest price. There are the links here in the description, yeah. So if you need a pair, I'm kind of clearing them out now, yeah. So they're at the lowest price ever if you do need a pair.
And on that note, guys, to get an extra £10 off, use this code at checkout, DGNUDC.
While he's doing that, like we said, it's going to continue. We're going to do this same circuit on hills like this. Obviously this one's quite steep, but the other one's steep here. The aim is for Josh to get the hang of it and get more comfortable, yeah? Yeah?
Speaking of comfortable, I'm really comfortable. Your face.
He's a bit weird, isn't he?
I ain't saying anything. Right, guys, I'm going to sit back and I'm not going to take over the lesson this time.
More passion, more energy.
So what happens if I roll back
more
into
passion.
a car behind us, that car?
Say it again.
What happens if I roll back into that car behind us then?
Well, you better not. What do you mean? What
shirt are you wearing?
Why are you looking at kids' shirts?
He's got a Pokemon shirt on.
Right. Oh, okay.
Feel nice?
They actually do. We're not gonna roll back, are we? Oh no, okay.
Well, is the parking brake on?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you release the parking brake, we'll roll back, so you need to have your brake down. But obviously we're not going to do any rolling back. You ready?
Yeah. Shoes are feeling good.
Yeah? Don't start just yet.
Oh yeah, how do they feel? Sorry,
Yeah, they're feeling good.
Get back into neutral.
Can you feel the pedals a bit more?
I said clutch down, get back into neutral.
Oh, sorry.
Ready?
Yeah. Let's go.
Remember, you're going to get biting point, mirror signal, manoeuvre, and then accelerate. It is safe to move off. Right, let's break there. Let's break there because
am I not on the biting point there?
You are on the biting point, but you're not accelerating. How interesting.
Okay, you both do know the car's off, yeah?
It is
Yeah.
now, yeah.
Yeah. So it's best to get it ready while we're waiting,
Yeah.
because we're running out.
Let's get ready. Your visibility is better than mine from that side. Yeah, I can't see very well. Oh, great. I'm gonna beep the horn at him.
Here we go.
Interesting. Interesting. Right, ready? Car's on.
Yeah.
Get the biting point.
Yeah.
It is safe to move. So let's move. Accelerate. More acceleration. And away from the car. Good. Good, good, good. Come back into driving position. Slow the speed down a little bit towards the end. And then we're going to clutch control up. So off the gas a little bit. Good. A little bit more. So we're going to look left and right. It's not safe. So let's brake. Good. I did forget to tell you the signal, but well done for that. If there wasn't a car coming, we would have just clutch controlled out. Right, get the biting point. Good, it's safe, so let's move. Accelerate. Good. Accelerate more and then get gear 2. Remember, not fast over the bumps.
That was really good moving off by Josh there.
Really good. Well
I don't know what
done.
I was expecting a stall, but
Thanks,
Good.
Brandon, for that.
Good, 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 good. Nice, and we're not going too quick over the bumps as well. Nice. Nice little speed. Remember, when you're going over, if you see speed bumps in your test, 15 to 20 miles should be where you want to be at.
End of the road, 10 right.
Mirrors, signal, gear 1 really good. Now let's clutch control up, slowly apply gas, and if it's safe we're just going to drive out.
Yeah.
It is, let's go.
Safe.
Yep. Really good, well done.
Josh, you've been watching the videos.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Away from the curb. Let's speed up, get gear 2. Right, so we're coming downhill now, so we're going to
Gently brake.
yeah, we're going to gently
Yeah,
brake
yeah.
and we're going to
Turning
clutch
right, yeah.
down.
Yeah.
It's the same
Mirrors,
as we did last
signal.
lesson, yeah?
Yep, gently brake, clutch down, get gear 1. Obviously keep clutch down, brake more. And then we're going to brake at the end of the line. Brake now. Really good. Safe to move. So, start accelerating. Good, well done. Into your lane. And then speed up and get gear 2. Good.
Josh,
Check
how
your
the
mirrors.
shoes feeling?
They're actually feeling really good.
We're going to do this route one more time, yeah?
Yeah.
Away from him.
Ooh,
Right.
thinking on each.
Slow down. Good. Let's get gear 1. If it's safe, we're going to move out entirely. Bring that clutch pedal a little bit, accelerate a little bit. It's safe, let's move. Well done. Well done. Speed up and then get gear 2. I'm very impressed. Apart from that, let's go. Not too fast over the brakes.
Over the brake.
Oh, sorry, over the bumps. It's like a shotgun at the back. Away from the car and the van. Good.
End of the road, we're turning right.
So, what should we do? Mirrors and signal,
Yeah.
good. Centre, mirror, right mirror. Gear 1.
Can I just clutch
We-
control up here?
You can, but we've done it a bit too early.
Too early, okay.
Yeah, away from that island as well. Right, is it safe? It is, so let's
Yeah.
move out. Really good, well done. More passion, more energy away from the curb. Get gear 2. And then same again, as we're going to come down, it means we're going to go down quite fast, so you're going to gently tap the brake, cover it a little bit, slowly press. We're going to get clutch down in gear 1. Clutch down gear 1, that's naughty.
Which are we
Turning right.
Hold on.
And then, is it safe? It is, so let's go. Good. I could have been a little bit quicker there helping you out, but it's my bad. I was concerned about the car passing through.
Brandon, how you reckon Josh is doing?
Fantastic.
Okay, so
Really good.
So how much help do you think you should give him now?
I'm still fully, but
No, I'm going to give you a little bit less.
You still think you need full help, Josh, after doing those junctions like that?
yeah.
Why?
Is this better?
Yeah,
Sorry?
but I'm not going to be there to hold your hand when in your test.
Yeah, I know, but
How about Josh? If
Come
we
on.
let you do the next next
Speed
couple
up a little bit.
on your own.
We're going to turn
what did you
right.
say?
We're going to turn right here, mirror signal. Remember, we're going to cover the brake as we do it.
yeah.
Your junctions have been quite nice today.
Okay. You know the next turn, yeah? When we're turning right at the end of the road?
Yeah.
Brand, I think you should let Josh give it a go himself. But if he's watch him though. If he's doing something wrong, then come in and help him.
Okay.
Yeah, Josh, is that okay?
Yeah.
So I'm still going to help you if you mess up, yeah. But give it a go yourself. Come on, more confidence, Josh.
Well done. Really good.
What's the only thing that you reckon, Brand, he could have done a bit better there?
Smoother transition with clutch.
No, his gear was just a bit too early. That's all. Yeah. But other than that, Josh, really good with the clutch control. Really good.
Also checking your mirrors when you emerged.
Turning right again, yeah? Always remind me of the direction, Brand.
My bad.
I'm in gear 1.
Yep. What are you gonna do if this car's coming?
Brake.
It's safe because they're going extremely slow. Right, brake.
Yeah.
Yeah, get that biting point and then accelerate. Good, well done. Turning right.
I really like how you both handle that. Good reaction
Away
to
from
the
the
storm.
curb. Gear 2.
There's a bit of calmness to this lesson. What is it? Because it's a Sunday evening and it's quite late as well.
It's a Sunday.
We're
I'm
both extremely
relaxed.
tired.
Someone's overtaken me.
Well done.
It's very silly.
Turning right.
Yeah.
BJ67 VHY. Track his house down. Brake. Sorry, yeah, my bad. Ignore me, sorry. I was too concerned about the guy that did that. You've done fantastic, by the way. You've done amazing.
You know what? It might be these shoes, you know. I'm telling you,
That's
shoes.
the best promo.
No, but honestly, it's a big. I think that's like on the way here, Josh was a bit stressed. He goes, "Or if I keep messing up," because the last lesson, it wasn't the nicest, was it, Josh?
Nah, not
I had a
really.
bit of a blunder myself, so we're both in that mess. It's fine, no, don't
Turning
worry.
right, yeah.
And recover the brake.
Right, what we're going to do, you know, after you turn right at this one, yeah? To finish off the lesson, Brand, not this junction, we're going to turn right at the end here, yeah?
And then we're going to turn left.
Yeah, then we're going to turn left up that hill. Remember how the gear change should be, yeah? Okay?
Yeah,
Make
yeah,
sure,
okay.
Brandon, make sure Josh changes the gears at the correct time. Talk me through the gear changes after he's emerged out, yeah?
Okay.
So turn right here, please.
Okay.
It's all yours, Josh.
They grow up so fast. I don't have any children. But he is basically my son, aren't you, child? Well done. I'm impressed. Oh no, it's a sting operation. They're gonna get out and rob us. Let's go.
A what operation? A sting
A
operation?
sting operation. They've trapped us. So another car's going to come in behind. They're going to jump out. Open the doors. Raid us.
Have we got priority here?
Yeah. Slow it down a little bit as well. Good, let's get gear 1.
Turning
here.
left, yeah?
Good, let's accelerate a little bit more. And then I'll have a look if it's safe. It is, let's go. Accelerate. Turn more. Accelerate more. Gas, 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 gas. Build up speed, build up speed, build up speed. Keep going more. Now let's get gear 2, really quick. Speed, speed. More speed. You can't remember, you can't drop off on that speed. if you're
Yeah,
going
I
up.
know.
Good, on a bend as well. More speed. Good. We could get gear 3, but you'd have to stay quite quick away from the car.
And guys, if you guys could park up anywhere safe on the left, please.
Just keep going around. Behind that van, you'd be okay. Away from the cars. Yeah, park up here behind the van. Indicate. Slow it down more. Good speed. Away from the curb though. Don't worry, we were still in gear 1.
And that's what we call a crash landing.
And then parking brake. It literally was a crash landing.
It's not the best place to park, but
You're the one that told him to do
Yeah, you said I was gonna go further ahead.
Yeah,
like it's
but-
behind.
I mean,
Okay,
like,
okay,
in terms
no,
of on a hill.
guys, let's keep the calmness. It's been a really, if every driving lesson was like this, oh my god, this would be the best career in the world. Okay, right guys, and then I remember Brandon isn't a driving instructor yet, but I think today they both did really well. Josh,
Well done, man.
I think like he's done more of watching the videos, yeah, and thought about what he's supposed to do. And did you reflect on last lesson? And you can tell it's just like straight away he was getting it.
I even went over T junctions again.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And I had to stop and start the car again.
that's it.
like
And that's what the
better
ultimate
refresh.
driving course is there for, yeah. Okay, make sure anything that you need, just go over it. Okay, it makes a lot more sense, doesn't it, when you watch it again now?
Yeah.
Why did you watch how to stop and start the car?
So if you want
in case of-
reassurance,
in case
that's
of
it.
forgetting it.
Okay, but brilliant. Next lesson, guys, I want you to watch the. I think we should move on to crossroads now. Turning right at traffic lights. That's a difficult one to teach. That is. Yeah. Okay. And yeah, let's end the video here then.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. If you see us out in public, don't be shy to say hi. We'll always say hi. Been a great lesson. The next lesson might be the very last because we might not be here anymore. Crossroads are a very dangerous and scary thing. So it's been nice. It's been nice doing this.
Okay, that's it. We don't want the ending to be longer than the video. See you guys.
See you later.